Welcome back. I've been using the new Skinfix Barrier Plus Ceramide Plus Ectoin Gentle Gel Cleanser, and I'm thrilled with the results. This cleanser pH balanced and gentle for twice daily use. Morning, refresh and prep your skin, while evening, wash away SPF, makeup, oil, and environmental debris. It provides triple barrier protection. Ectoin binds to lipids, keeping them in place during cleansing. Patented BL3 delivers deep repairs to the skin's moisture barrier. Polyglutamic acid helps maintain skin's moisture levels. How do you start with a slightly damp face? Squeeze a quarter-size amount into your hands. Work the silky gel texture into a creamy lather. Apply to your face, massaging for at least 60 seconds. For a thorough cleanse, focus on the T-zone and cheeks. Rinse with lukewarm water to avoid stripping your skin barrier and gently pat dry. Follow with the rest of your skincare routine. Final thought: the Ceramide Plus Ectoin Gentle Gel Cleanser is fantastic for my dry skin. It effectively cleans away makeup, though not waterproof mascara, and leaves my skin feeling fresh, soft, and never stripped. I often seek out clean beauty cleansers, and this one truly delivers, soothing my skin with chamomile and ceramides. Despite its gentle formula, it effectively helps with oil control without causing any dryness. It pairs exceptionally well with the Skinfix Barrier Cream. My skin feels soft, smooth, and refreshed. Never stripped or tight. Overall, this cleanser packs a punch and leaves my skin feeling amazing. Recommended.